Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
For a full body soak, dissolve 1/2 to 2 cups of magnesium sulfate, 120 to 480 G, in a standard bathtub filled with warm water at 37 to 40 degrees C. Stay seated and soak for 15 to 20 minutes, breathing slowly and avoiding overly hot water. Limit frequency to up to 3 times weekly for general muscle relief or mild inflammation. After soaking, gently pat skin dry and apply a light moisturizer to prevent dryness and help maintain the skin barrier. For targeted relief, mix 2 tablespoons, 30 G of magnesium sulfate into 1 cup, 240 ml of warm water until dissolved to make a compressed solution. Soak a clean cloth, wring loosely, and apply the warm compress or poultice directly to the affected area for 15 to 20 minutes, repeating up to twice daily based on symptom relief. Always discard and remake the solution for each application, and never apply magnesium sulfate directly to broken skin or open wounds to avoid irritation or infection. Magnesium sulfate is intended for external use in baths and compresses. Do not ingest it orally for self-treatment and seek medical guidance before any internal use. Avoid topical use if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, have kidney disease, or are taking medications that affect magnesium levels unless your physician approves. Children and older adults may need adjusted frequency. Limit soaks to 20 minutes and 2 to 3 times weekly to reduce systemic absorption risk. Stop use if rash or irritation occurs, and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.